If you want to connect Zapier with Google Drive quickly and without confusion, this guide will walk you through the exact steps from start to finish. By the end, your Google Drive account will be connected inside Zapier and ready to use in your automations. This is a great setup if you want to save files automatically, organize documents, or build workflows that move data between apps and Google Drive. Before we begin, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Zapier and go to the homepage. This is where you can manage your account, apps, and existing connections all in one place. Once you're on the home screen, look for the App Connections option and click on it. This section is important because it shows you all the apps already linked to your Zapier account, and it's also where you can add new ones. Now that you're in App Connections, use the search bar and type Drive. Zapier will filter the results and show you the matching app. From the list, click on Google Drive. Make sure you select the official Google Drive app so you're connecting the correct service. After that, you'll see an option to Add Connection, so go ahead and click that. At this point, Zapier will begin the connection process. Click Connect when prompted. This is the step where Zapier asks for permission to access your Google Drive account so it can create automations and interact with your files when you build a Zap. Next, Zapier may ask you to select the account you want to use. If you have multiple Google accounts, choose the one that contains the drive you want to connect. Selecting the right account here is important, so your workflows run on the correct storage space. Once your account is selected, click Continue. Zapier will then show the next permission screen or confirmation step. Review everything carefully, then click Continue again to finish the process, and that's it. Your Google Drive account is now connected to Zapier. Now you can start building automations that use Google Drive as a trigger or an action. For example, you could automatically upload files, create folders, move documents, or connect Drive with tools like Gmail, Google Sheets, or Slack. This kind of setup can save a lot of time if you regularly work with files and want to automate repetitive tasks. If the connection doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and make sure you selected the correct Google account. If you ever need to manage or remove the connection later, you can come back to App Connections and update it from there. The setup process is simple, but getting it right the first time makes building automations much easier. So now you know how to connect Zapier with Google Drive in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step guides, and let me know in the comments what app you want to connect next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.